Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check the font book in your MacBook. So let's start. If you want to see the font styles, font details, you can do that. So start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open the launchpad. For opening the launchpad, if you want to open this through a shortcut key, then simply you need to press the F4 and it will be open. If you want to open this from the dock bar, then simply you have to click on this. And after clicking on this here, you will be able to see all the apps. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the other section. And after clicking on other section, as you can see, it has an option for the font book. So we have to click on the font book. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be see all the font styles here. For example, if you are going to click on this one, like the medium italic, bold, if you want to select this one, gill sans, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, like the italic version, light italic version, if you want to increase the size, you can also do that in this way. Like if you want to open the font section, PDF section, traditional, web, English, fixed width, all the fonts are provided here. You can choose them, you can see them and edit them as well. Or if you want to select them, you can also do that in this way. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the font book and how you can select your favorite text which you like. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.